The next in our video series is how to fit a compression fitting. Tools you'll need is a foul rasper and some lubricant or sunlight liquid. Firstly, what you'll do is you'll just taper the pipe's edge, go around just to make it tapered. Then you loosen your compression fitting. Push it over the pipe, take a bit of lubricant, put it on the rubber O-ring, and then make sure that your pipe and fitting is straight and give it a slight turn as you push it in. Make sure it's all the way in, and this white grab ring is in, and then you just make sure that you turn it tightly by hand, like that.